Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click on Get Started, choose OK, tap on this filter next to LED keyboard, choose OK again, and tap on Input Options, then select LED keyboard one more time, and pick the theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, and click on Download Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!